In this aid, we will voice our own and market's viewpoint on BTG future while talking about Bitcoin gold cost gauge for 2022 and then some. Kindly remember that you ought to for the most part think about this and some other expectation while considering other factors, since anticipating anything really is a difficult errand, not to mention foreseeing the fate of a novel, exceptionally unstable monetary resource like Bitcoin gold. Presently, we should head into it, which is very huge. Before we dig profound into the Bitcoin gold value expectation and answer questions in the event that BTG for the most part is a kind of wise venture or not, for what reason will BTG sort of succeed or truly fall flat, or for what reason will Bitcoin gold value rise or drop, we should rapidly toss a look at what truly is BTG and its to-date history, which is genuinely critical. What fundamentally is Bitcoin gold, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking? You can mine Bitcoin with specific ASIC mining PC hardware amazingly. This for the most part is truly costly equipment and consumes a great deal of energy. That cost has prompted the sort of principal variant of Bitcoin creation to land genuinely an ever-increasing number of in the possession of the first class in a sort of significant manner. Bitcoin gold in every way that really matters, is essentially intended to return computerized mining to the hands of normal individuals in an unpretentious manner. Rather than requiring particular hardware, Bitcoin gold can be mined by customary PCs, which explicitly is very huge. This permits anybody with a normal PC to mine Bitcoin gold, in every way that really matters, much the manner in which Bitcoin by and large was mined first and foremost in a significant manner. The Bitcoin gold environment basically is driven by the Akash confirmation of work calculation, which generally interfaces block result to the memory accessible for stockpiling. Successfully, ASIC machines by and large were in every practical sense, put in a difficult spot from the beginning of Bitcoin gold, as custom changes will basically be expected at stretches to stay aware of the updates to the calculation in an especially huge manner, as a matter of fact. In basic terms, the machine could not in every way that really matters, have conveyed its normal return on initial capital investment before it in a real sense is delivered out of date, and presently not explicitly fit for reason in a quite enormous manner. Smallholder equipment diggers essentially are projected to be the extremely large champs, implying that the blockchain and its prize framework will generally stay vote-based and decentralized, genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking. With the Bitcoin blockchain being principally open source and innovation-driven, space for straightforwardness and decentralization generally is given, making it a local area project in a very significant manner. Contrasted and other cryptographic forms of money, it by and large looks similar to Monero regarding namelessness, in opposition to mainstream thinking. It contrasts from Ethereum and Bitcoin, which essentially are both known to generally distribute exchange subtleties through their separate pilgrims in an exceptionally significant manner. This truly is a takeoff point for Bitcoin gold, which doesn't really uncover genuine wallet tends to in an unpretentious manner. BTG value expectation for the genuinely next 90 days. The entire crypto world by and large is on an edge of an undeniable bear market in a significant manner. Bitcoin has drooped half from its unsurpassed certainly high in the midst of a more extensive market drops affected by seething expansion, and US took care of rate expansions in a significant manner. Financial backers fundamentally are selling dangerous resources and moving into additional in every way that really matters, stable business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an exceptionally hazardous essentially play, and thus the auction, or so they explicitly thought. Our algo still sees a sum genuinely green in 2022, particularly in every practical sense, second piece of the year in an unobtrusive manner. This in every practical sense, is reflected in our 2022 expectations. At the present time, Bitcoin certainly needs to find a by and large neighborhood base before we can move in every practical sense, inverse course and for the most part alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable of the new cost range, altcoins will for the most part begin to do likewise. We basically have seen this situation many times in the removed and later history amazingly. Our cost expectation model for the most part is negative for the following 90 days with a sprinkle of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2 in an unobtrusive manner. We in every practical sense, expect whales and really other sort of greater players in the market to especially wrap up filling their packs around that time, which will cause an ordinary and unexpected crypto spike in a significant manner. Group made a cost expectation model with a multi-layered way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and principal evaluation of each undertaking. Essentials that we sort of assess explicitly are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, promoting endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and theoretical truly potential, and a few other really restrictive elements created in our crypto lab in a significant way. October 1, 2022, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Plus 1.55%, $21.30 amazingly. October 2, 2022, or so they thought. Minus 2.45%, $20.46, which generally is very critical. October 3, 2022. Minus 0.75%, $20.82, which sort of is genuinely huge. October 4, 2022. Plus 2.01%, $21.40, which explicitly is genuinely critical. October 5, 2022, which is genuinely huge. Plus 1.46%, $21.28 amazingly. October 6, 2022 in an unobtrusive manner. Minus 4.49%, $20.03, which generally is very huge. October 7, 2022 in a by and large huge manner. Minus 1.20%, $20.72. October 8, 2022. Minus 7.34%, $19.43, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Bitcoin Gold Value Expectation 2022. Our expectation model sees a brief change to a bear market toward the start of 2022. Proceeding, we move on to one more advantage in Q3 and Q4 of 2022. 2022 October amazingly. Minus 19.73%, $16.84. 2022 November minus 40.40%, $12.50. 2022 December in an especially huge manner. Minus 55.30%, $9.38. 2023 Jan in an essentially significant manner. Minus 54.24%, $9.60. 2023 February minus 48.66%, $10.77. 2023 Blemish, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Minus 46.48%, $11.23. 2023 April minus 43.76%, $11.